Madrid, Spain's capital, offers a unique mix of history, art, and lively streets. In just 2 days, you can explore some of Madrid's most famous spots. The city is home to beautiful parks, world-renowned museums, and historic squares. Each place has its own story, showing the rich culture and history of Spain. Planning your visit to include both well-known sites and relaxing in the city's green spaces gives a good mix of experiences. This guide will help you make the most of your 2 days in Madrid, ensuring you see the best it has to offer. Day 1 in Madrid. Explore the Royal Palace. The Royal Palace of Madrid isn't just a building, it's a journey through Spain's past. With over 3,000 rooms, each adorned with lavish decor, exquisite art, and historical artifacts, the palace offers a glimpse into the lives of Spain's monarchs. The armory, with its impressive collection of weapons and armor, and the royal pharmacy, holding centuries-old medicinal bottles, are highlights. This palace is more than a tourist spot. It's a testament to Spain's rich history and enduring legacy. Discover the Almudena Cathedral. Almudena Cathedral, with its neoclassical facade and modern interior, represents the harmonious blend of past and present. The cathedral stands out for its unique combination of Gothic, Romanesque, and Neo-Gothic elements. Inside, the vibrant stained glass windows illuminate the vast nave, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that dance on the marble floors. The cathedral is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of Madrid's resilience and diversity. Feel the pulse of Madrid at Sol Square. Sol Square, the pulsating heart of Madrid, is where the city's energy is most palpable. Day or night, the square buzzes with activity, from street performers captivating audiences to locals rushing through on their daily commutes. The square's iconic clock, which marks the beginning of Spain's New Year's celebrations, adds to its significance, making it a must-visit for those seeking to experience Madrid's urban life. Stroll through the historic Plaza Mayor. Plaza Mayor, enclosed by historic buildings, has been the stage for numerous events, from markets and bullfights to public executions. Today, it's a place where history and leisure converge, offering visitors a chance to dine in one of its many cafes, view the frescoes on the Casa de la Panadería, or simply bask in the ambience of old Madrid. Each corner of the square tells a story, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the city's rich heritage. Embrace cultural diversity in Lavapiés. Lavapiés is a dynamic neighborhood. Its streets are a canvas for graffiti artists, its restaurants a testament to global cuisines, and its cultural centers like Tabacalera, a hub for contemporary art and community events. Lavapiés embodies Madrid's multicultural spirit, offering a mix of traditions, languages, and culinary delights. It's a neighborhood where every alley and square celebrates diversity, making it an essential experience for those looking to explore Madrid's modern identity. Feast your senses at Mercado de San Miguel. The Mercado de San Miguel near Plaza Mayor is not just a market, it's a culinary adventure. Under its early 20th century iron and glass structure, you'll find an array of vendors selling everything from traditional Spanish tapas and fresh seafood to gourmet cheeses and artisanal pastries. The market is a feast for the senses, where locals and tourists alike gather to taste the best of Spanish cuisine in a historic setting. Whether you're sampling jamón ibérico or sipping on vermouth, the Mercado de San Miguel offers a taste of Madrid's rich cuisine. Relax in Retiro Park. Retiro Park is Madrid's green heart. Once a royal retreat, the park is now a public haven, home to beautiful sculptures, fountains, and the striking Crystal Palace. Whether you're rowing across the tranquil lake, wandering through the Rose Garden, or enjoying a puppet show at the open-air theatre, Retiro Park offers a peaceful respite from the city's hustle and bustle. It's a place where Madrid's residents come to relax, exercise, and enjoy the beauty of nature, making it a must-visit for anyone seeking a relaxed escape. Wander Calle Alcalá and enjoy the sunset at Círculo de Bellas Artes. Calle Alcalá is one of Madrid's most historic streets, leading from the heart of Sol to the gates of Retiro Park. Lined with landmarks like the Metropolis building and the Bank of Spain, a stroll along Calle Alcalá is a journey through Madrid's architectural evolution. The day ends with a visit to Círculo de Bellas Artes, where the rooftop terrace offers breathtaking views of the city bathed in the golden hues of the sunset. We've already breezed through half of this guide. If you're loving the adventures so far, make sure to jump into the description below and check out the link for extra juicy details on the places we've explored. If you haven't already, I would love if you could smash that like button, drop a comment, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to join our travel tribe for more travel tips. Now, hold on to your seats, because we're about to dive into some more exciting places to see. Let's keep this adventure rolling. Day 2 in Madrid. Morning in Atocha. The Atocha area serves as the gateway to some of the world's most renowned art collections. The Prado Museum, with its exhaustive collection of European art, invites you to lose yourself among works by Velázquez, Goya and Bosch. Just a stone's throw away, the Reina Sofia Museum offers a contrast with its focus on modern art, including Picasso's Guernica, a poignant reminder of Spain's turbulent history. Weekend wonders in La Latina. La Latina is the soul of Madrid's weekend social life. The neighborhood's narrow streets and historic squares, like Plaza de la Quebrada and Plaza Paja, come alive with antique vendors, street museums, and tapas bars over the weekends. Here, history is not confined to books, but lived and breathed in the tapas bars and centuries-old taverns that dot the area. Afternoon Walking Tour. An afternoon walking tour of Madrid uncovers the layers of the city's rich tapestry. From the literary quarter of Barrio de las Letras, where the ghosts of Spain's greatest writers roam, to the grand boulevards adorned with 19th century architecture, Madrid reveals itself as a city of contrasts. These guided tours offer insight into Madrid's lesser-known stories and architectural gems, providing a deeper understanding of its cultural landscape. Unwind at Plaza de España and catch the sunset by the Egyptian temple. Plaza de España is home to the monument dedicated to Miguel de Cervantes, where figures of Don Quixote and Sancho Panza stand guard. The plaza is a bridge between Madrid's historic past and its present. A short walk leads to the Templo de Debod, an ancient Egyptian temple gifted to Spain. This temple, especially at sunset, offers a surreal experience as the sky transforms into a canvas of bright colors, casting the temple in a mystical light. It's a fitting end to a journey through Madrid. I hope you've enjoyed this video. To find out more about the area, click the link below. That's a wrap for today's journey. If you found these travel tips and tricks useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got any travel stories or questions of your own? I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And for more adventures and travel advice, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Until our next trip, keep exploring and stay curious.